Okay, this is how I created the Swapsie-Ocean effect that I posted. Basically, you have a mouse off layer, under that you have a text content layer, and under that you have a video layer. This is the video layer. It's just a rectangle, 480 by 320 or whatever size it might be, and it's got a placeholder that loads this video of the sea on an endless loop, just going around forever and a day. And if that was all, you'd just see a white page with that placeholder showing the video in that rectangle. Then above that you've got this text content layer, which is basically just a white page, or a white rectangle, should I say, a white rectangle that matches the size of the placeholder, but then I've reduced it down inside, so when it sits above, on the layer above, the text content layer, it actually has a slight border around it where the video can be seen through. So you've got this border around it, and then above that, on the mouse off layer, we have this layer hide PNG video, bitmap that's loaded, which sits over that and actually hides the video below it, and you can't see the video at all. And of course, on that, the one I've done, I also had in that rectangle, I had a recycle logo, of which I selected both and sliced this piece out, so when that sits over the top of the video, you can not only get the edge all the way around the edge, but you also can see the video playing through the holes in that rectangle. Right. And then, as I say, this hide PNG and the mouse off layer shows it, and you can't see the border. However, when the code that's on it, when you mouse over it, changes it from the hide PNG to the show PNG, and this time with the show PNG you can now see the border. And just when you mouse off again, the border, which matches the page colour, hides the video, and that's as easy as it is to make. It's quite good. And of course, these show and hide PNGs are only created from a rectangle exactly the same size. The show one is just a rectangle with no fill, no stroke, and exported as transparent PNG. The hide one is the same size rectangle. Then I've used the contour tool, cloned it, contour tool, scaled it down to make it exactly the same, then subtract the one from the other, so you just get this that shape there, rectangle with a hole in the middle of it, so that acts as there, and the code just swaps between that and that as it mouses in and out. Anyway, hope this helped. This is it. Goodbye.